Gio, you're finally in the draft. Kumusta lang yung sa combine ngayon? Kumusta?
Okay naman. Like, hindi lang po nakasali sa mga drills. Okay naman.
Gio, kasi parang, I think, ikaw yung isa sa mga nag-beat ng Friday date, and was it something really na pinag-isipan mo ng mabuti before submitting
Yeah,
the papers?
for sure. Like, it's a big decision. Like, I had to take some time to talk about it with my family. And also, this was the move for me. And yeah, we decided na it's the best.
Maybe ba't di ka nakasali ngayon? Obviously, may sakit.
Sorry, yes. Medyo may cough lang po and may cough, may phlegm. Pero good naman. Like, sinabi lang po ng doctor na pwede na mag-rest a bit. Like, medyo pagod lang rin po sa schedule. Yeah, good naman.
But siyempre may mga options na rin internationally, but what made you decide na to take this road to the PBA?
Yeah, for like, siguro kasi like, this entering the PBA naman has been a dream of mine ever since I was a kid. Like, looking back, like, it's something naman na I really wanted to fulfill. And sakto na naman yung opportunity ngayon. And siguro like, I just want to be close to my family also. It's something na medyo mahirap kasi when you're abroad, like, you know, being away from your family. So, yeah, siguro, you decide na, you know, just like the best for now.
Gio, kasi yung entry mo in this class, in this batch, parang nag-spark din ng interest kasi you're one of, if not the tallest prospect in this batch. How do you embracing lang yung ganong expectation?
Siguro, well, that's something naman na hindi mo mawawala yun. It's always there. But like, for me naman, like, my parents always tell me, you know, just enjoy it, you know. Just parang no pressure naman. Like, if I add pressure to myself, then, you know, it's not gonna turn out really well. So, parang, ngayon kami, parang it's just enjoying it, enjoying the process, and enjoying the journey. Like, it's a long journey ahead of us. Like, you know, the different chapter is the career natin. Like, you know, we don't really add much pressure to it. You're just enjoying it talaga.
Gio, just the prospects of being the #1 pick kasi siyempre yung height mo, yung rare commodity rin sa PBA yun. Ano naman sabi mo dun sa posibilidad mo yun?
I mean, no matter what happens naman, I'm just really grateful. That's something naman na hindi natin control eh, di ba? Parang, it's something naman na like, teams would depend on, like, they would decide on it. But like, kami naman, like, for me and my family, we're just really just, you know, parang, ina-embrace na siguro namin. Parang, diba, parang, whatever the outcome is, well, we'll accept it naman. And like, yung ibang teams are asking me if, like, if yung ibang reporters are asking if there's any team that I would want to play for, like, I was like, you know, wherever I get drafted, it's something. Just, yun yung ano eh, parang, diba, I have to accept it and then wala no problem with playing anywhere. So, parang kumbaga, I'm just, parang kami, nag-iintay lang rin naman kami sa draft day, like, wherever we can.
Gio, gano'n move forward kasi yung position mo nga, ng mga makakarap mo, si Japet, si Garrett, tapos naman move forward.
Yeah, for sure. We know naman na this position is kind of tough. You're playing against imports, diba? And you're playing with one of the best players in the PBA. Like, yung mga kalaban mo dun, they're a lot smarter, mas better, mas physical sila. But we're just trying to learn. Something to look forward to is play against mostly yung mga names out there that are really good. So yeah, parang we're just trying to maximize na siguro like what we have and get better.
Playing with Gilas, how did that help you in your basketball career?
Well, playing for national team is something naman na kumbaga opportunity yan eh, diba? Parang we're grateful that we get tayo ng opportunity before and that really helps with confidence, you know, for you to wear that Pilipinas in your jersey, that says a lot and you know, kumbaga like mapili ka sa 12-man roster, so malaking confidence necessarily, like to myself and yeah, like that really gave me the opportunity to play abroad, you know. So, sobrang grateful ako na nakalaro ako before and hopefully, ma-call up tayo again.